Welcome back. This is a day 2. So today morning it's 5:45 now. So we are heading on a very long ride to in the hills. So this is going to be a fun and crazy ride. It's going to be completely in the hills and into the forest area and everything. So today we are going to do a long ride of around 320 kilometers almost by the time we come back to our base. So it's a beautiful weather, and it's a really amazing weather. We never expected such good weather here. We were thinking that it's going to be raining, but our assumption went wrong, and luckily we have I would say God by our side, and it's like so beautiful. It's a very nice and sunny day with full of blue skies. So let's see how this day is going to go with the ride. So we have quite a lot of places that we are going to go as well. So let's go and have fun. So guys, look at this beautiful scenery this morning. Oh boy, amazing, man, amazing. This is amazing. Very beautiful. Oh, crazy. These roads are really good. So if you can see, these are all curvy roads. It's just a lovely feeling to ride the bike on this particular road. So that's Harsha in the front leading us. So Harsha knows the in and out area of this place. That's the reason we don't have a Google map also. So yeah, Harsha has been leading our troop, and he knows all the places over here in this particular area. Oh, guys, look at that hills in front of me. So big, huge, very beautiful. So we are going to stop here for a tea break. So this gentleman here is going to serve us some tea. So we're going to get some tea from here. This is Harsha. See, Harsha is leading us, fully all padded up and ready to take us on this trip. Oh, look at this man. That's Zubin, guys. So we are waiting for the rest of the 2 more guys to come in. So guys, what you see towards my left and right is full of coffee estates. So basically Chikmagalur is called the land of coffee. So it's very famous for coffee. So it's completely only coffee estates what you see here, and they produce a huge amount of coffee supply every year, which is being sent across India, and also they export it as well. So this is the specialty of Chikmagalur. It's completely, the coffee here is so tasty and so amazing. It makes a completely difference, with the taste. So it's a beautiful roads. You see how beautiful these roads are. The temperature is also low. It's cold and bright sky. Very nice. So this is the kind of roads we are riding in. You can see the hairpin bends. So we are actually riding in the hills now. Guys, this is a beautiful place. As you can see, we are just parked here for this view. Let me just show. So this is how it is. So you can see everyone here. Boys are all here. Man, breathtaking view. This is amazing. I'm actually on the edge of a wall, standing and trying to get you guys the best view possible. The sun is out, bright. So guys, it's fully foggy here, this place. You can see there's so much of fog. This is the Tunga River. You can see here. Looks so beautiful. Very nice. I'm just going to see on the other side, show you how it looks. Looks very good. It's very, very beautiful. Because of the rainy season, the water is full. Let's see how beautiful this place looks. So guys, now we are heading to Agumbe. We were supposed to visit the Chakra Dam, but due to this COVID-19 situation, majority of the dams have been kind of closed, and they're not allowing anyone to go and visit the dam on the top. So you can just see a wall from outside. So we could not go to Chakra Dam because of this. So now we are heading to Agumbe. From Agumbe we'll finish our lunch, and then from there we'll be heading to back to our base, Chikmagalur. So far we have done around 200 kilometers of ride this morning, only in the hills. It's an amazing experience riding in the hills. Very beautiful scenery and very beautiful roads, and the greenery is amazing. So the 4 months of lockdown has brought so much of change in the nature, which is unbelievable. So we people need to take care of this environment and make sure that we preserve our environment in a very safe manner, and use it only as much as it is required, and we shouldn't be pushing the mother nature way too much than what actually we need. So yeah, look at Zubin, he is tired as well. So we are actually a bit tired as well, because riding in the hills is not an easy task actually. You need a lot of concentration and efforts, because you're maneuvering your bike continuously. So it makes a lot of difference riding on a highway and riding in the hills. It's completely different. So Agumbe is a place where, if you really don't know, there are a lot of king cobra snakes in Agumbe, in the forest. So it's very famous and well known for this particular place. As you know, king cobra is the most poisonous snake in the world. It's very venomous. But there's a lot of king cobra snakes in this forest, so that's what they say. here. It's amazing. Let me get down and show you how it looks. Man, this is the view, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy, guy. Yeah. View amazing, no? It's crazy. I'm bloody scared to stand there. It's like too steep. Oh boy. Full of hills.
We are at Agumbe now because all the COVID chakra being closed, we didn't get permission to go see it, so we decided to change the route and come to this beautiful place, Agumbe. First time some of these people are coming here.
Yeah.
And you can see a waterfall in the distance this time.
Oh boy. Yeah. So guys, you can see waterfalls there. It's very far, but you can still spot that. It's an amazing place. Beautiful. Wow. Very beautiful. So guys, we're almost done with the ride for the day with the hills. It was pouring heavily, so I could not cover some places. It was heavy rains near Agumbe and on the way. So I don't know that exact place, but after Agumbe it was heavy rains, and now we are 18 kilometers away from Chikmagalur. We are returning back to base. It was an amazing ride, a great experience. Now it stopped raining, so I just took off my raining gear and everything, and now again got the GoPro fixed. Yeah, it's crazy, but yeah, it's a beautiful day. It was a lovely ride. We enjoyed thoroughly riding in the hills. So let's see. I don't know how the weather is going to be tomorrow. So depending on that, we are going to plan our ride tomorrow. So guys, we are back to Chikmagalur, the land of coffee again. So finally reached Chikmagalur. We are now going to go to our hotel and freshen up and then relax. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment on the video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Finally we reached, guys. So thank you very much. It was a good ride, a lovely ride.